The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A magnitude 9.7 earthquake has struck the city of Jackson. This earthquake has been confirmed to be the strongest earthquake ever recorded, beating out the 1960 Valdivia earthquake. The epicenter was centered in Yellowstone National Park. As a precaution, all residents within a 100-mile radius of Yellowstone National Park are asked to evacuate immediately. This is not a mandatory order, but is strongly recommended. Take food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell or mobile phone, phone chargers, and a battery-powered, hand crank, or weather radio with you for your journey. Stay tuned to this station for more updates as they become available.